at this thing. First year Yamaha YZ80, 1974. It's 51 years old, and it looks like it just came out of a time capsule, brand new. Thing's absolutely pristine. Full frame-off restoration. Come on inside, I'll tell you all about it. Guys, feast your eyes on this absolutely spectacular example of the 1974 YZ80A Yamaha, very significant motorcycle. I had the 73 GT80, which is more of an enduro off-road play bike. This was the first YZ Series 80 they had ever made, and it was substantially better in every way than the GT80. Longer travel suspension, more horsepower, a little pipier, more of a race look to it. In fact, Yamaha was really first to the game in the competitive motocross, mini motocross market. The AMA didn't even have a 80cc national championship yet. It was just the 125, 250s, and 500s. But this was the bike that would seed plant the seed for the AMA National Championship Series. It was very competitive, two-stroke, very reliable. And this one was restored to a very high level. It really looks like it just came out of the box in 1974, the fit and finish on it. It's a full, comprehensive frame-off restoration. It was taken right down in the frame. The frame was completely painted and restored, and then the wheel sets were redone. New front tire, new tube, new brake shoes. Everything's beautifully sorted on the front end. The fork lowers were polished. The chrome uppers are in excellent condition. There's no pitting on the fork uppers. The front fender was restored and repainted, as was the front number plate and the triple clamps. The chrome bars look brand new. The grips are new. The levers are new. The cables are all new. The tank was beautifully restored and professionally painted. The original Yamaha silver with the original graphics. The seat was restored. The rear fender was restored. And the whole rear end of the bike was redone too. The chrome on the rear wheel still looks like new. The hub was repainted. The spokes are all in beautiful condition. It's got a brand new tire and tube on it. New gold chain, new rear sprocket. The shocks are restored beautifully. The side number plates are beautifully restored. The #1 plates on it. The pegs are perfectly straight. Still has the kickstand, which is extremely rare. Most of the motocross bikes, those are the first thing you take off. Shifter is in mint condition. Engine cases, cylinder, top end, everything on the bike looks like brand new. It sounds like brand new, and it runs like brand new. The carb's been all redone and restored and repainted, as has the fuel petcock, fuel lines, air box, drain lines, everything, air filter, everything's gone through on the bike, and it literally is like a new motorcycle. Extremely, extremely rare piece in the 15 years that we've been doing this, and the well over 10,000 motorcycles that we've had come through the shop to be sold, not to mention all the hundreds, if not thousands of bikes that have cycled through here on museum display. This is the first 74 YZ80A we've ever had. Why? Well, they didn't make a whole lot of them to begin with, and also most of them were ridden into the ground, just like my GT80. But I've had a dozen GT80s. That come through the shop. If you punch in YouTube Kaplan and GT80, you'll see how many we've had. And my GT80 was also silver like this, but this was a really rare piece. Is a really rare piece, and not too many of them survive. So, and very few of them are restored. And the reason why is to do a frame-off restoration on a bike like this, you can easily bump up close to 100 hours labor, typically 70, 80 hours labor, sometimes more. And current shop labor rates in the area are $150 an hour. So, you know, labor alone can be north of 5 figures, north of 10 grand. Plus sourcing the parts is difficult. So not too many of these will come up in this condition, beautifully restored to a Concours level. Concours level means it looks as good as it did brand new when it came out of the box in every way, shape, and form. You know, the chrome, the paint, everything on the bike is absolutely beautifully done and like new, either original mint or restored to brand new condition. All the hardware is super clean on it. Just a spectacular example. You'd be hard pressed to find another one. I don't know of another one this nice for sale in the world today. This is it. So if you have any questions about it, give us a call at 860-454-7024. You can ship this right to your house anywhere in the continental U.S. Roll on, roll off, and you know, it's ready to be on display in the museum here if you want to come take a look at it. But let's look at the engine on this thing. It's a little jewel-like machine, air-cooled, absolutely bulletproof Yamaha construction. These things are super durable. Ask me how I know. I was 8 when I got mine, and I rode the freaking wheels off that thing, tanks and tanks and tanks. We'd only bring it back to Dad when it ran out of gas, so or the chain fell off, or it stopped running, and it pretty much always ran. I don't think we ever blew up. I know we never blew up an engine on that. We just rode the wheels off of it. Just super durable. Great bikes, over-engineered, designed to be durable and last a long time. This one's definitely ready for the next 50 years. This bike is 52 years old, and it looks brand new. It belongs in the museum here. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.